Hey everyone, it's Sandra from Off to Class. I'm so excited to share with you the new release of B1 Pre-Intermediate Step-by-Step online curriculum at Off to Class with reading, writing, speaking, and listening activities. In B1 Unit 25, you're going to practice communication with your students. It's all about speaking. Your students are leaving A2 with the ability to start having short and natural conversations, and now entering B1, they're going to be able to ask their classmates and their colleagues questions with be, such as, are you hungry? Questions with verbs other than be, such as, where do you like to work? Questions, WH questions, such as, where are you watching this video right now? In Unit 26, it's all about tourism. The students are going to speak and draw from their past experiences, speak about what went wrong, and write about what went wrong. And they're going to practice that pronunciation of ED in past regular simple verbs. And so get ready for those explicit phonetic-based rules. In Unit 27, it's experiences. So, have you ever done this? Have you ever tried that? As you can guess, it's present perfect, which is challenging to teach, we know. So we use words such as just, already, ever, never, yet to really provoke present perfect. And I'm excited to share this content with you guys. I hope you are excited to share it with your students. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe to the button below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.